Welcome to Life Joy Adventure. Thanks to my subscribers, viewers, my YouTube family for supporting my channel. Let me say it means a lot to me and I really appreciate your generosity and support. Today I'll share my thoughts, my experiences on traveling. The title of this video is Reasons Why Should You Travel the World Right Now But Don't Be a Tourist. This video is for those people who dream to travel but for various reasons can't, and also share my mindset when I travel, and I hope I'll be able to motivate and inspire them. I first traveled at the age of 12. This was a train journey to Mumbai and Goa. It was really an adventure, and since then I have been to 30 plus countries. And no, I'm not rich, and this is the point I'm trying to make. That we don't have to be rich to travel, and I'll come to that in a moment. So, why should we travel? How traveling is good for us, how it has changed me, and why I don't call myself a tourist but a traveler. So we'll all discuss this on this video. So before the internet took off, we used to watch travel shows on TV and read travel books. Today it's a different world. Technology has connected us. YouTube is full of travel videos. We sit at home and watch their experiences in different parts of the world. It's so easy. It is good, but it's not the same. We all have reasons why we travel. Some travel to de-stress, escape from their daily routine, weather, rat race. Some for health reasons. Some to explore the world. Some for pilgrimage or religious reasons, some for financial reasons. Now retirement in cheaper countries is a big thing. Some running away to find themselves. So every person has a different reason. Whatever your thing is, whatever your reason is, one thing is for sure, traveling makes us feel good and it has benefits. I'll try to list my reasons and my mindset and hopefully inspire you to travel. I don't like to call myself a tourist, but a traveler, a seeker. And this is my mindset when I travel anywhere in the world. This helps me to grow as a person. So here we go with my reasons that why you should travel as well, and with this mindset. If you travel with an open mind and an open heart, it will make you a better person. It'll connect you to humanity. So whenever I go abroad or different countries, I try to talk to the local people, have conversation, share experiences. That really make my travels worthwhile. Number 2, it connects me to the nature. I've visited some beautiful places in the world, like in Colombia. It's a beautiful country. I'll put the playlist in the description so you can watch it as well. It gives you an appreciation that we live on a beautiful planet and we should protect it. There is ecotourism available now if you're an eco-traveler, so plenty of options and information. Third, I feel that it pushes you out of the comfort zone, puts you in different and new situations, help you grow. For example, when I traveled to Colombia, I had no experience of the language, of the culture. So I had to learn new things, new ways, and it really helped me grow. Fourth, I would say that this knowledge they don't teach you in school. What you learn about a place's culture, food, music, history, language, you'll never learn in a school. So it's really a good education for you as well. The fifth reason, if you can think like that, is commercial or business opportunities or networking with people. We go to a new country, we see something new, we bring that to our own country and apply it. So this is the commercial aspect of it, possibly. Of course, the number 6, which is very close to my heart, is meet new people, fellow travelers, like-minded people, and make friends. I have friends now I met 10 years ago, and we still talk and in touch and even travel together. Another thing which people don't sometimes pay attention to is appreciate your own country. When you travel abroad and come back, you start appreciating your own home country. You see the beauty, you see the value, and you see how lucky we are. Right, so this is basically, in a nutshell, my reasons why you should travel. Now, of course, some would say traveling is expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Just go on the YouTube and the internet. There are so many options now. You can do your research on visa, costs, safety, etc. Everything is available. And if you're living in a country where it's not easy to get visa or your currency is not strong, what you can do is you can start traveling locally. I've made videos on all local attractions where I live, and I'll put them in the description box. So start there. I'm sure you'll find something interesting and fascinating. Another thing you can do is you can start traveling to the neighboring or nearby countries. For example, recently I went to Croatia and I made some vlogs. I'll put them in the description. It wasn't very expensive, but it was fantastic. One more thing you can do is find like-minded people to travel and share the cost. That's another way. For accommodation, there's Airbnb and Couchsurfing. So as you can see, there are many options. You can travel and not break your bank. What you need is willpower and motivation. Traveling has changed me, and I'm sure it will change you as well. So start your journey and don't delay anymore. Take the first step and the rest will come. And once again, be a traveler, not a tourist. I wish you all the best in your journey. Thanks for watching.